Hey guys, hi everyone. So in this lecture, I will show you how to create right Excel chart in Excel. So let's say we have some data here, we have quarter, we have month, we have sales. So depending upon this data, I want to create one dynamic chart, right Excel chart, so that I can give insightful things to the management. So let's say if I am creating a chart from this data only, let's say I've selected this part and then we'll go to chart and I have taken this stack column chart. So now it is showing quarter 1 Jan, quarter 1 Feb, quarter 1 March. But I don't want like this. I want only one quarter 1. In quarter 1 I have Jan, Feb, March. In quarter 2 I have April, May, June. So I want that kind of stuff. So here I'm deleting this part. So what I have done here, so what I'm doing, I'm deleting this 2 quarter 1. Again for quarter 2 also I'm deleting this 2 cells. Quarter 3 also I'm deleting this 2 cells. Again quarter 4 I'm deleting this 2 cells. So now what I'm doing, I'm selecting this table and then again I'm going to insert bar chart and I've taken stacked column chart. So now if you can see, so now it is coming in the same format which I have discussed earlier. So quarter 1 I have Jan, Feb, March. Quarter 2 I have April, May, June. So now if you want to change the format, you can change the format also from here. Again if you want to change the layout, let's say I have taken this format. Again if you want to change the layout, you can change the layout from here also, whatever layout you want. Okay. So anyways, there are so many things here, like you can change the axis titles, you can change the chart title, whatever you want you can do it from here. So this was the right Excel chart, first example which I have given. Now I have some other data also. So I have this data, I have 2023 data and I have 2024 data and I have sales. So now I want to make one comparison chart from which I can identify whether how much growth I have done as compared to 2023. So what I will do, I will select this part and then simply if I am doing here insert and I'm going to line chart. Let's say I've taken this chart. So now it is showing comparison. It is not showing comparison. It is showing combined data is coming, combined line chart is coming, but I don't want combined line chart. I want separated line chart for 2023 and separated line chart for 2024. So I'm deleting this part. So what we have to do now, so control X I have done for cut and control V I have pasted this data aside. So now what I have to do, I have to select the data. Okay, so after selecting the data, I have to go to insert again. Again, I have to go to line and I have taken line chart. So now you can see the comparison here for 2023 and 2024. So again, I have taken month also here. So actually, we need to select from here 2023. So again, I am taking select data. And instead of selecting from here, I have selected from here, let's say. So now that month will not become now. Okay, yeah, so now it's correct. So now you can change the format also, like this kind of format also you can show 3D kind of format. So this was the second example of right Excel chart which I have showed. So I have one more data. So here in this data I have years, I have target, I have achieved. Okay, so now what my target was 200, I have achieved 300. So I want to prepare one chart for target versus achieved chart. I want to prepare. So how we can prepare that I'm showing you now. So what I will do, I will select this part. Okay, after selecting this part, I will go to insert and then we'll take one clustered stack column chart. Okay, after taking stack column chart, this is my target, blue is my target, orange is my achieved. So I will change the color for target. So let's say I'm taking some color here. Let's say I've taken a shape fill like this particular thing I have taken here. Let's say sky blue color I have taken. Okay, so now we'll go to achieved one. Then what you need to do, you need to right click on this, and then you need to go to format data series, and you need to go to secondary axis. In secondary axis, you have to increase the gap width. Okay, so now as you can see, my target was 200. Okay, but I have achieved 300. Clearly it is showing here. Yeah, so now I have to change this also, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you need to click on this, you need to go to select data in chart design, you need to go to select data. Okay, so now instead of this, you need to go to edit, and then you need to select this years here. Instead of 1 2 3 4, years will come here. Okay, so now as you can see here, we have 2019 bar chart, we have 2020 bar chart, like that we have particular years chart has come. So this is my target versus achieved percentage. Again, I am deleting this part. Okay, so now this is my chart is ready now. I can change the format also, whatever format I want. I can change the layout also. So this was the chart for target versus achieved. Hope you guys have understood this lecture. So guys, meet you in next lecture.